I have not placed my guppies and my swordtail into this pond just for show. I've placed them in there to see how naturally they will interlink with each other so as to create unique species. Now I have seen where in which I have identified several guppy swordtail, right? But strange enough, I've actually seen some hyphen, some really nice hyphen guppies. I'm trying to see if I can find any now. I'm not guaranteeing that they are going to be at the top swimming, because as you can see, this is a 250 gallon tote, right? But I really see some hyphen guppies looking really nice, coloration really wonderful, right? So I'm trying to find one. Oh, there's one. There's one. You know, where the fin at the top of the guppy is high and it's curved. There it is. Usually it is not so tall. There it is again. But if this fish was in a aquarium, it would be easily identified, right? So you have several hyphen guppies in this pond. Really nice coloration, orange top, red, purple mixed in between, right? And the coloration is very, very much unique. Right, there's another one. It's moving very fast. And these guppies are less than 1 year old, therefore the coloration will just improve as the year goes. And bearing in mind that guppies live for up to 7 years, so underneath good condition, these guppies can get really, even the small ones that are males, can get really pretty, really big, and show off the extended tail, that's the male, and the hyphen that is at the top, right? Some of the tail of the males are, what I call it now, are ragged because of regular fights in which they have. I have several hyphen swordtail in this pond, right? But as they mature, virgin meet virgin, that is virgin molly, sorry, virgin swordtail meet virgin guppy, and a sense of crossbreed can occur, right? So you have hyphen guppy along with swordtail guppy, right? Point to note, you also have swordtail molly and hyphen molly, hyphen swordtail, right? All these guppies have been in here for just a few months, and they were placed in here as babies. But because of the space in which these fish have, they tend to go. There's a nice hyphen. There it is. I don't know if you'll see it in there. There it is. I'm following it. A nice hyphen guppy. You have several of them, right? So I have actually seen several hyphen guppies and hyphen swordtail. Now to get your interbreed, between guppies and mollies and swordtail, you will have to, as soon as they are born, you'll have to separate them. That means you have to have a lot of tanks, right? And keep them virgin as much as possible. That means probably a day right after they have been born, you'll separate them. And then now, as soon as you identify the male and the female, male swordtail, female guppy, you actually introduce them into the same pond or tank together. Let them stay there for as long as possible, and eventually they will interbreed and you will get a unique blend of fish stock. As usual, lizards and other critters do stop by at times to actually get some water. They are very, very lucky that this is not an Oscar tank, because the Oscar would have actually ate them. Right? Okay. So thank you for making a fish keep in Jamaica. I hope you have actually identified them just as I did. You have several guppies, high fin. Yeah, there's one right in front, right? High fin. But you have to look good. Yeah, you see the fin is very high and it's curved. And these are just baby fish. These are not adults as yet. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for making the fish keep in Jamaica. Bye bye.